6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Blue eye,
Fly first.
Yeah, you're gonna drop a puddle.
This means that the dragon spawn's gonna be scuffed.
That's fine.
Why do you have
Dawn has
returns like
Vethogs.
that?
Oh, I didn't realize, sorry. Is that alright?
Better yet.
Phil, she's all yours.
Got it.
Oh no, we're good, we're good, we're good.
Yep.
Fade Stone's going down.
A Draken 10 less. Draken 5.
Phil, take her.
You might get a punt, so be careful.
He
Yeah,
has blue eye. Oh, that's not good. Someone has to come over this side.
Southeast
See you later.
got person. It's doing breath right now on mid. Southeast, so if the range wants to start on it.
Phil is gonna drop a puddle.
Phil, just go back.
At a range.
Okay, that tail swipe is just entirely her right side.
Yep, pretty much.
Courtney's gonna drop a puddle.
Punt.
Because I was at her head. I'll show you in the video.
Next dragon in 20.
I'll take the boss from you, Phil.
Dawn is blue eye.
Next one
Interrupt.
is yours, Phil.
Next dragon 5.
Ella's gonna drop a puddle.
Dragon's coming down. West.
Got it.
Alright, thanks.
Phil's will
Interrupted.
debuff
Being
expires,
stunned.
take the boss, and I'll take the
Fade Stone going down.
I'm sheltered.
Come back to the fate stone. I'm camping it
Back
for the
to
next
face,
duck.
I have both.
I'm gonna drop a
Induction.
puddle.
Induction,
Got it.
induction.
I got
Good
it.
work.
I
Blue
have
eye.
blue eye again.
Heal Vild while I'm gone.
Okay, Gal, what's the situation? Do you take the boss?
I have the boss.
Okay.
You can take it if your debuff expired, and
I've
I'll
got
get
both
the break.
thugs.
I'll get all the interrupts. He'll breathe on you, but after that he's mine. Just take the boss whenever.
Punt.
Okay, I got the boss.
Jesus, tooth Beth.
Ooh,
They're
fine.
soft.
Dawn has Vethogs now.
Blue
I've got
eye.
eye. Watch out, guys. Look, this is a really difficult place for me to.
Froze me.
Make sure you're not in the vortex behind us.
Help.
I tried.
Ella's
I got
gonna
it.
drop a puddle.
I don't know if I moved
Just doing
too
stun.
much.
Stone's going down.
I'm up in 6 seconds. Might need help with one more interrupt.
I'm watching.
Oh, never mind. Breath. I'll get it.
Gotta say, that's gonna
Oh,
run
right,
out
you got
just
frozen.
as you
Yep.
unfroze.
I need a res.
I've got the eye.
He's gonna drop a puddle.
Oh god, these are invisible puddles to me.
Do you have a res, Keith?
I'm kind of trying to keep myself alive because
We're doing it.
Phil, get the Drake. If you can.
I'll get your scroll.
Interrupt.
Puddles on puddles.
I
Yeah,
got
we
both
need
thugs
to
as soon as I
pick
got
up
up.
boss.
I need heals. Oh,
Rising.
it's fine.
God, that's a minefield behind us. Why are we dropping so many Beth?
Blue eye.
Bless
Fire.
blue eye.
Gal, you need to take the boss. I'm tier 4.
Careful, tank. do res for Mike.
Field's gonna drop a puddle.
Build
Yeah, Veld has to res.
If you can res when
Okay,
you get a
after.
chance, but not a big...
Gal, take the boss.
I did.
We can move to the front paw so we don't get knocked back into all those puddles.
I have bad
Resing.
dogs.
You're shielded.
I'll do scroll and
stuff
token
going
when
down.
next up. Move to Fathix, please. I mean, move to the stone, whatever it's called. We have a res for Carnation.
Yep, I'm up.
Blue-eyed Laurelith.
Dawn is blue eye.
Careful,
Okay, I'm doing scroll and token.
I have
I
ethics.
got caught. I don't know how the fuck I got caught. I was moving.
Hunting.
Don't get knocked out.
Fine.
$9 million. About 7 now.
I have Fethugs.
Blue-eyed Laurelith.
This is my 4th eye.
You're gonna have to
Yeah,
stop DPS.
tell me how it feels.
Stop.
Wait.
Yes.
Stop DPS.
Take
Switch to
boss,
frigid.
please. Take boss. Who
I have
froze me?
Dolan has Fethugs.
Dawn first.
Good job,
Top
Dolan.
spot.
Interrupt, please.
Got it.
You're gonna have to take the boss.
How long
I
will
have
frigid?
the boss.
15.
How long? Okay. It's phasing then.
Phase it.
I'm frozen for.
You're
Yeah,
fine.
that's fine.
Phase it.
Just same time as him.
Never mind.
Stun. Stun.
Not this again.
Interrupt.
Face down.
Nope. Never mind. We'll be alright. Just
We're gonna need lots of healing now. Go up frigid tier 2.
Do fellowship.
Yeah, do fellowship before we get there.
I got group up.
Let's move.
Don't go through puddles.
That's asking for an awful lot, Fasten.
It's fine.
Drake should die in a sec.
Move. Make sure everyone's seeing him.
Be ready with the morale pot on Fethugs.
We need Connie up. We need Connie up.
I'm up. I'm up.
Oh, she's up.
Check for Vithox.
If it's a Vethogs,
I have
make sure
ethics.
Gal has Vithox.
So I'll drop it on the left.
It doesn't drop. We're out of
it doesn't
combat.
Drop, right.
Will Connie have a refresh DNF? Who has Connie?
I do.
Sure.
She's
Will
got,
you have it?
For all
no,
I'm
I
gonna do
don't.
is
Put it on her.
Alright, I'll get her next time I'm
clear
up.
speed.
Alright, ready for the Bane Flare.
I had 40 seconds.
Hold back.
Oh, you're first.
Rain flare.
make haste.
Run speed off.
Yikes.
He has DNF.
I'm up.
Interrupted the mitigation.
You got the bubble.
Dolan, you got Connie?
No, you get it.
Can you drop both Grims, please?
Not there yet. 2 seconds. 1. Interrupting now.
Fate Stone going down in 3, 2, 1. Fate Stone's down. We got 15 seconds.
Redirect's gonna go up soon.
Sorry about that.
Fate Stone's expiring in 2, 1.
Juggernaut's up.
He drops.
Are we looking over there? He's
Interrupted.
charged soon.
What's Juggernaut
Okay.
timer? I can Bane Flare.
2 seconds on
I
Juggernaut,
cannot.
2 Bane Flare.
Bane Flaring.
Don't have a pot.
Charge, Gal.
I did not have DNF.
Into the room.
You
You're
want
up.
range?
You.
Next res is all you, Connie.
Right where you are now, Gal. That's where my Fate Stone will go when I have it. It's up in 5 seconds.
Couplings incoming.
Fate Stone's going down.
Is DNF.
Res.
pretty sure we should get behind now, but
Redirect that.
it's up to you guys. If you have anything important, you can.
She's not about to move just yet. Some people should stay.
Can do Fellowship's Heart now. Just preemptively.
Okay, half the group.
Melee stay behind, range
Half
go.
the group
I'm
go.
stunned.
Go, go, go.
She's
Okay.
breathing, she's breathing.
I'm dead.
She's still breathing.
We're good.
Nice work, everyone.
Nice
Right.
work.
Way to hang in
Oh,
there.
Flawless on the ads. Nice work.
We made it.
We're out.
We did it.
We did it.
ST3 boys.
What?
Oh, I
Alright,
crashed.
let's retreat and take the
hello.
sled. Retreat and take the sled.
I actually crashed.
Pretty sure.
we'll wait for you to get into
Yeah,
route.
that's
I
all.
hope he can get loot.
He'll probably be fine.
That was the best time to die because I got to take Dur's res and run out the door immediately.
Oh, that was nice.
Oh, that was really nice.
Please tell me you recorded that, Hev.
I
Why am I
did.
still in
Except
combat?
I was dead when it happened. I took a revive from Dolan. Like as soon as someone went through the door, I think one of the tanks went through the door, the whelplings all just turned to me and hit me for like 100k each. I was like, shit.
God.
Nice job, everyone. Alright, wait for Thingamajig to come back.
How do you take a turn?
Thingamajig.
So what's the special title we get?
Led
I
Led the
just posted it.
charge. No, that's
We
not
get
the
led the
one.
charge and we get challenged.
Oh, that's not the first one now.
Did anybody take a picture with